You see, this is the outcome of our overnight oatmeal. This one is a apple mix, this one is the mango mix, and this one here is a grape. Okay, so you can have your overnight oats quickly, and you've done this within just 3, 4, 5 minutes. And in today's video we are making quick overnight oats recipe. So I know you've either tried this recipe before or this is your first time, but whatever the case is, I'm going to share with you very simple overnight oats recipe today. I'm going to use apple, I'll be using mixed nuts. In this nut I have walnut, I have almond, I have pecan nut, and I also have some Brazil nuts as well in this nut. In this is grape, this is mango puree, this is plain yogurt, and this is almond milk. So I'm going to make very simple overnight oats that you can whip up and grab in the morning to go. This is oats, these are rolled oats. So, and here it's this is ground flaxseed. So very quick and fast. Let's get into today's video. So before we start making this, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the like button so you can get more of this type of content from this channel. Alright, so let's make some quick, fast overnight oatmeal with 3 different ways. So in this recipe we are using mango puree for this particular recipe, mango puree and plain yogurt, okay, with our oats. That's what we are using. So for a start, we are going to have some base, which is the mango puree as a base. There's a reason for this, so that our oats can absorb the nutrients and the sweetness of the mango. Then the next thing we're going to add to this is the oats. So we'll be using just few spoons of oats. Okay, this is 1 spoon. And when you add your oats, make sure you stir it in the mango. This is 3 tablespoons of oats. Then we add 1 more. That's 4 tablespoons of oats, and that means 1/4 cup of oats. So after that, I'm going to add just 3 tablespoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt. Then I will stir that in for some yummy goodness. This is yummy already, right? You can see. Look at this. So what I'm going to do is, so that we can have everything stirred up together. So I will stir in the oats before adding any other thing on the oats. So now I've stirred the oats. So what I'm adding now is I'm adding some mixed nuts. Just 1 tablespoon of mixed nuts. Let me add a little bit more because I like nuts in my oats. So, and I'll be adding just few pumpkin seed as well. What I'm doing now is topping it up with mango puree again. This is looking yummy, right? I know it's yummy. So that's it. So to give you some topping, what we have to do is just few almond, few pumpkin, and few mixed nuts. Boom, and it's ready. See? So now I will just keep it aside. Though I'm going to cover it. So I'll keep it aside to make the next recipe. Okay. So for the next recipe, I will need some almond milk. I made this almond milk myself. I made it at home. This is just approximately 1 cup of almond milk. So I'll add in some yogurt. So we'll be adding oats to this particular one. So now I just need, for this one I'll be using 1 full 4 full tablespoons of oats for this particular recipe. You can see it looks very nice and delicious. So just like the first time, I'm stirring in my oats. I'm stirring in my oats so that it can absorb the milk, the almond milk and the yogurt. So the next I'll do now is adding the grapes. So adding grapes to this. Then I'll add some nut and seed to this one. And I'll just top it with a little bit of yogurt so that it can sit. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So then we're going to top it with few oats. Just few. This one contains more oats. Okay. So just, the reason I'm adding more milk, almond milk to this, so that I can absorb it. So for the final touch, we just have few pieces of grape to this, and we cover it. But before I cover, I'll show you. See, very beautiful, looks beautiful. So we keep this one aside and do the third recipe. So in this last recipe, we are not starting with yogurt, we're starting with apple. So we start with apple as our base. Okay, so have apple as our base before the oats. So the next one we're adding 3 full tablespoons of oats to this one. We now add, before adding our yogurt. Remember, we are going to stir this, right? So that the oats can absorb the sweetness. Though I'm using plain yogurt. I rarely use sweetened yogurt because I mostly like my yogurt even as Greek. So, and I don't add anything to my yogurt, just natural sweetness, and I'm okay with it. So for this one, the next I'll be doing is I'll top it with few grapes, some apples, and I'm going to add, this is ground flaxseed to this, my mixed nuts. Let me add everything. Before topping it with the apple. The next thing is we're going to add our yogurt, the remaining yogurt on this. and boom, you are ready. The third one is ready. See, very beautiful. So you see, this is the outcome of our overnight oatmeal. This one is a apple mix, this one is the mango mix, and this one here is a grape. Okay, so you can have your overnight oats quickly, and you've done this within just 3, 4, 5 minutes, and keep it in the fridge. All you need to do is the next morning grab it and go to your working place. You don't have any excuse for eating right? So this is very simple and quick. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to click the subscribe button so you can join the family of healthy living and eating right. Okay, see, looking so good. I can't wait to delve on it. I love it. Okay, so until next time I come your way again, keep eating healthy, and until next time, I'm still Marymatt, and I talk health. Thank you.